In this video, you'll learn how to import an MPLAB X project into Microsoft Visual Studio Code. The following assumes that you have the MPLAB extensions installed and have closed any open folders or workspaces by opening the File menu and selecting Close Workspace or Close Folder. To import an MPLAB X project, open the File menu and select Open Folder. Navigate to the required project, which will have a .x extension. Here, we'll open the Curiosity Nano Getting Started application. If prompted, decide whether to trust the project files and their parent folder, and confirm that you want to import the project. Consider adding the migrated files to a workspace, so they will be visible in the Explorer view. Look for the Import Success message. You will be prompted if the project needs adjusting, for example if the original compiler version is not available. Build the imported project, for example by using the keyboard shortcut, then check the output in the VS Code terminal view to ensure that this was successful. To see project information and configuration settings, click the MPLAB icon. Alternatively, start typing the Run command MPLAB Focus on Projects view and select the match from the list or complete typing and hit Enter. In the Projects view, you can, for example, open the device information page by hovering over the device entry and clicking the datasheet icon that appears. Confirm that the default external browser can open this page. After importing the MPLAB X project, a .json file will be created, whose content will mirror the compiler and file settings used in the original project. Open this file from the Explorer view or by using the MPLAB button in the status bar. To learn more about imported VS Code projects, refer to MPLAB Discover.